Hi guys! For today's video, Brain Rot Toppers. So this is a new game. It's just released this April 4, 2026. So this is the first update of the game. We're gonna show you the new update. Here are some our friends. Okay, let's do the quest first. Defeat Boneka. Okay, we need to defeat 15 Boneka. Okay. So, alright, we got it. So, claiming. Then, next is defeat Pipi Kiwi. And another 15. So, we just run, walk, and this is so cool, guys, and easy to play. You're gonna love this game, guys. Try it. Okay, here's the ascent. We need level 300. Okay. I want that range. Now, claim it. Next is the Bri Pata Pim. Another 15. Let's kill this guy. Defeat this guys. If you love slaying brain rots, you're gonna love this game. Okay, next we defeat Larila. Oh. Oh, in the desert. Forest desert. Look at the cactus. Okay. Okay, we claim it. Next is the defeat Chimpanzini Panini. Ayun. Oh. Oh, there is some drop of banana peel. Oops. Okay. 5 more. We complete this. Okay. Next, gonna defeat Bombardiro. Oh, we have many tokens now, so I'm gonna put it later. So let's go to Bombardiro. Healing this 10. There are class S. So you're from the community? Yes, I am. So guys, join the Discord also so you can be update for this game. And you can also easy trade here. It's also safe. There is no scammer. Okay, we're on now in defeat Odindin. Don. Oh, we completed it already. Okay, claim. Okay, the last boss. Here we go. Look at that aura. That was so cool. This is Car. So let's use some potion of clicks. Okay, and use some damage for the token. I will max it if I can. Okay, just upgrade. So tap 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 tap. So this is the brain rot tapper. So you gonna tap and tap and tap. Okay, 400 plus only. We did not max it. So we're gonna defeat this chair. Okay, I got a 5.1 no damage. So I need more. So maybe if I play a little bit longer, I can't one hit. Okay. Oh, look at that aura. 50 times leak and 50 times damage. So let's try this elderly gacha. Let's try our luck. Okay. Wow. Nature apes 0.01. I hope we get that. Oh, we got a 1.5%. Okay. It's gonna be. So this, it has a stats. Add to our character. Click and damage. Oh, look at that. There is a 0.5. So, PC recording first this. Later, I chat you guys. Yeah, I will tell maybe later. Okay, let's see what we gonna have. Oh, there's a 0.5. A little bit closer. Always 40%, 18%. Oh, I have no luck for the gacha. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe this video and comment your user's name because I'm gonna choose one of the comment who is my subscriber. I will choose to give OP brain rot. So, oh, there's again the 0.5. But did not point in the center. So, this is one of the game gacha. So, you're gonna collect more token to roll a gacha. So, I hope to get the apes Nature Apes. The 0.01. Can we get it? Oh well, guys. Oh, we are in Nature Fury only, the 1.5%. So, oh, there's a 8 times. Oh, it's only click. I thought click and damage. So, that's not bad. So, I hopefully in a few days I can get it. It has 2.25 times. Oh, we did not get the aura of the car. Okay. We're now at level 200. Okay, we're gonna use some upgrades. Oh, we can have upgrades for coins and damage. Okay, so let's use this for now in the coins. Use them all. Okay, we don't have any more. And here is the index of the enemies. If we defeat, this is what we get. XP, coins, the token tree, leap token, and their aura. Okay, so here is the new index. I need more to collect this all. Okay, there are two new secret. The limited one and the forest egg. Okay, codes. Yeah, guys, don't forget, update 1. Use this code in the game. You can receive 25 tickets that you can use here in the shop like a Robux. Okay, we're now in 8.6. No. Oh, we need 300. We're now in 215. So, guys, I'm gonna kill this, defeat this car to have a level 300. So while we do that, I'm gonna fast forward it so you will not wait that so long. So here, guys, is the new patch notes and brain rot tappers. The new forest world, that what I show you, 11 new brain rots. Also here, guys, the daily spinner. I did not show you that, guys, because that I opened the game, it popped up earlier. I did not record. So there is a new forest egg, 8 new enemies, 2 new ascension. Don't forget the update 1, Elderly Gacha Leap Point upgrade, and 8 new auras. That is the recap of the update or pouch notes in the game. So here we go, closer to a level 300. We're gonna ascend level cap, 450 XP. We got it, and we have plus 3 range, so we have bigger range now. Look at that. So this is the max level of the ascent, so we can have the infinity level now to collect tokens. Okay, let's try some luck again in the gacha. So fast forward. Oh, not yet. It's still the same, guys. So we have 186 sleep coin. We need more 24. So before I go in the hatching egg, I will need the one more range. Okay. Fast forward and here we go. 200. Gonna buy it. And now let's go to egg hatching. Egg forest. Okay, let's see if we're gonna have a good luck. So here guys, I'm gonna tip so you can hatch egg while defeating Boneka. So look, we're not close enough here. We're gonna move closer here to Boneka to kill, and look, there's no again. Okay, maybe we move closer to the tree. Okay, we got it. Yes, we kill, we defeat, and we hatch. So that is the tips. You can have an unlimited coins while you hatching eggs. So you did not think if you're gonna AFK and lose your coins. Okay, I don't have the egg open. I need more 600 tickets to have that. So let's try our luck. Started auto hatch. Let's see if we can get a car or the secret ones. Let's go. Hopefully we can get that one. Okay. I think this will be take a long. Oh, okay, yes. I'm giving away a Rainbow Barbardiro. So these guys, comment your user's name so you can join and also subscribe. Okay, let's fast forward this. Okay, fast forward. Here we go. I think I'm feeling I'm getting in it some good brain lots. And look, we got a Bombardero Crocodilo. It's a 0.15%, guys. Oh, so that's so cool, guys. So that's all the update. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video to your friend, and comment your user's name. So I'm gonna choose who will win the Rainbow Barbardiro Crocodilo. So that's all for today. See you on my next video. Okay, guys. So I hopefully I will AFK here in the egg hatching. So I have more time to get the secret. So that's for today. See you all, guys. Bye.